Hi friends, welcome to Vcreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notification when we upload new videos into our channel. And today in this video we will talk about sort our C# list. So here first of all we will just take a list and I will just add couple of items into my list, and after that by using the sort method I will sort that particular list. So here I am in the Visual Studio to explain you with an example that how to sort a list. So let me first take a list and I will add couple of items into my list, and after that by using the sort method I will sort this list. So here I have just created a list of int which can only take int values into it, and after that I just added these 4 items into my list, and by using the for each loop I am just printing all these 4 items into my output window. And if I run this application, then it will display like 109, 45, 78 and 3. Now here I will just apply my sort method. So here I have just used my sort method, and again if I run my application, then it will show like 3, 45, 78 and 109. So by using the sort method it is just sorting the items from the list. So this is all about our today's videos. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.